Alright, what velocity must a car with a mass of 1,370 kilograms have in order to have the same momentum as a 2,120 kilogram truck traveling at 22 meters per second to the east? So, we know the mass and velocity of our truck. We can figure out the momentum of the truck. To do this, we'll use the equation. Momentum is mass times velocity. And so we're just going to multiply our two numbers. So the momentum of the truck is going to be 2120 times 22, which should give us a very big answer, that being equal to 46,640. So this is how much momentum we have in kilogram meters per second. The car has to have that same amount of momentum. So the momentum of the car has to come out to 46,640 kilogram meters per second. So we're trying to solve for velocity. So if we move around our equation to solve for velocity, we'll move mass to the other side, and we're going to do momentum divided by the mass. That will give us velocity. And so if we do that calculation, the velocity that we will come out to is going to be 34.04 meters per second, and that would be our answer. If you want to check it, you can multiply that by the mass, and it should agree with the momentum of the truck.